This is Craig Hane. My friends and family all call me Craig, and I let my students call me Dr. Dell. And if you know me already, you know I have a Ph.D. in mathematics. I've had it for many decades. I've learned math and studied math and taught math and applied math to all sorts of things, and I've had a fabulous life doing so. Now, the reason you are watching this video, I presume, is because you have, I'm going to share the screen with you, and either someone has told you about the Triad Math Army that we just founded and that I'm the leader of, or perhaps you've seen a flyer. And so it depends on how you come across me. If you know me already, because someone has told you about me or whatever, then my advice to you would be to just go right ahead and invest the best $7 you'll ever spend in your life in this program. This is the video you're going to be watching now, Supercharge Your Life. And the whole idea, as I mentioned in the flyer, is that the point of the Triad Math Army is to help any member improve their life dramatically, and I'll call it supercharge your life. There's so many ways that can be done. It's ways I've learned to do it over many decades now. I've taught many other people to do it, my family, obviously, and we've had a fabulous life doing it. There's so many things you can do because life's complicated, as you know. Lots of things happen, some good, some bad. You got to deal with all of them, and there's ways to do that. Now, what we do in the Army is we give you lots and lots of information and tools to do that. Now, if you know me and someone's already told you about it, my best advice to you would be to go right now and invest the best $7 you'll probably ever spend in your life. Just click on this and go and join the Army for $7. That gets you in for the first 30 days. And as you're going to find out, you'll be in it then probably for the rest of your life. It's your option, obviously. You can stay in it forever or you can drop out anytime you want to. And how much it costs you depends on, as you're going to learn, how you behave and what you do in the Army. It may cost you $30 a month. That's worst case scenario, or it may end up costing you nothing. Now, this website you're on has a bunch of videos to explain this. If you already know me and if someone's told you about it, just don't spend any more time. Just go join the Army. Save your time. Your time is valuable. Invest your $7 and away you're going to go. But let's say you don't know me, you've never heard of me, you don't know anything about me. Well, then this web page you've come to now is going to tell you all about it. The first thing I'm going to do is I have a video where I'm going to talk to you about what I call our life lessons library. Over many decades, I learned many, many things that helped me improve my life and supercharge my life. And I have over 20 training videos to explain all that to you. And this is not something you're going to do in a day or two or a month or two. This is a lifetime thing. As a matter of fact, recently an 85-year-old man just took one of these life lessons that's in this library and used it to improve his life rather significantly, supercharge his life. So you're never too old and you're never too young to get started. So the life lessons library, watch that video, and that'll probably be enough then to get you to want to go ahead and buy. Now, let's assume, though, that you're a homeschooler or that you have students that are involved in mathematics. As you can imagine, I have lots of ways to help you do that. So, for example, this video tells you how, if you have elementary children, how to help them learn math, how you can teach them math as a pro. Whether you're a homeschooler or not, we all homeschool our children ultimately, even if they're going to a regular school. And, of course, they may be going to a homeschool. So we have, I will show you how you can do that. And that's part of being in the Army. Now, we have programs now for teaching students of all ages math that they need. It starts out, and I have a video on that talks about how you should master a TI-30XA scientific calculator and why you should do that. There's a video on it. The video is 7 minutes long. How can you learn practical math? All the practical math you need for ordinary technical work in about a semester. And that's called, we call it Tier 2. And there's a video that explains that. That's a 9-minute video. So which of these videos you watch depends on what your situation is. You may have students ready wanting to go to college. Maybe you have students ready in science and engineering. All of these videos now are designed to help you understand what you're going to get as a member of the Army and how it's going to greatly benefit you. And so you can watch these. Now, also, as a member of the Army, our mission of the Army, as you know, is to help everybody that wants to supercharge their life and improve their life in dramatic ways. And that improves the life of their family and their friends also. And you can help other people do that. And you can work from home and earn a very significant supplemental income with an affiliate program. In fact, it may end up that being a member of the Army not only doesn't cost you anything, it may make you money. Now, if you want to know who I am in the story, I put a video for my story here. If you don't know me, this might be the first one you want to watch. After you watch the appropriate videos to find out what it is you might be interested in doing to improve your life, you need to join the Army. It's $7 for the first 30 days, and I guarantee you, you're going to get a lot of benefit just in the first 30 days, way more than $7 worth. Also, then, after my story, if you haven't decided yet to join the Army, I have free gifts for you. And you can go down and get these free gifts. And this will teach you a lot more about me. It'll teach you more about math, how you can learn math at home, and so on and so forth. So go get your free gift if you don't choose to join the Army. But my advice to you is to get started right away. Join the Army, $7, get started. I guarantee you're going to love it. It's going to be wonderful for you. And it's going to be wonderful for your family and for your extended family. And our mission, as I said earlier, people say, well, what is your ultimate mission? I want to train millions and millions of people to supercharge their lives so they have a wonderful, happy, productive, successful life. And ultimately, our goal is to end war. If we get enough human beings having wonderful, productive lives, and why do we have to have a war? I think that that's the biggest danger today for the human species is war. And I think that the Triad Math Army's ultimate mission is to train thousands of millions of people to improve their lives so that we can cease war. That's really the ultimate mission. So this is Craig Hane. Thank you for watching this video. Join the Army right away for $7 and get started. I guarantee you'll absolutely love it. And of course, then you'll get to know me really, really well, because we'll be sending you a whole series of emails to help educate you, to get you started, get you going, and help you supercharge your life. So Craig Hane, get started today. Supercharge your life. Bye-bye.